How to achieve long hair. Are you dreaming of luscious, long locks but nothing seems to work? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to the ultimate guide for luxurious hair growth. In this video, we've got it all covered from hair masks to oil treatments and expert tips to keep your locks in their prime. Are you ready to unlock the secret to long, luscious hair? Please subscribe to my channel and let's dive in. First, hair mask. Let's look at a simple onion hair mask recipe that is believed to promote hair growth. Ingredients: 1. 2 medium-sized onions. 2. 3 tablespoons of coconut oil or olive oil. 2 tablespoons of honey, optional for added moisture. Instructions: peel and chop the onions into small pieces. Use a blender or food processor to blend the chopped onions into a fine paste. Strain the onion paste to extract the juice. You can use a muslin cloth or a fine sieve for this. Mix the onion juice with the coconut oil or olive oil. If you prefer, you can add honey to the mixture for extra moisture. Apply the mixture to your scalp and hair, making sure to massage it in gently. Leave the mask on for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo to remove the onion smell. You may need to wash it twice to ensure the smell is gone. Use this mask once a week for best results. If you have any allergies or scalp sensitivity, do a patch test first. If irritation occurs, discontinue use. Next, oil treatment. Oil treatments for hair are crucial for their ability to nourish, strengthen, and revitalize your hair. These treatments infuse essential moisture, combat dryness, promote hair growth, and provide a natural shine. Gurs, this is the most special part. Do you know high stress levels can lead to hair loss, so practice stress reduction techniques like meditation or yoga. Avoid tight hairstyles. Wearing tight hairstyles like ponytails and braids can cause hair breakage. Opt for looser styles. Regular washing. Keep your hair clean by washing it regularly, but not too frequently, as overwashing can strip natural oils. Avoid hot water. Wash your hair with lukewarm or cool water, as hot water can damage the hair and scalp. Use the right shampoo and conditioner. Choose a shampoo and conditioner that match your hair type, for example oily, dry, curly, straight, and your hair's specific needs. Be gentle while washing. When shampooing and conditioning, be gentle to avoid tangles and breakage. Massage your scalp in a circular motion to promote blood flow. Trim regularly. Get your hair trimmed every 6 to 8 weeks to remove split ends and maintain healthy hair. Remember that everyone's hair is unique, so it's essential to adapt these tips to your specific hair type and needs. Thanks for tuning into our hair care tips and mask video. We hope you've learned valuable information to help you achieve your dream hair. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to hair care, so don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with